All right, so hoses are all in, fans mounted. We still got a monkey with this a little bit, or shrouds of.
Yeah, at the bottom it's
Yeah, we got to fight with it still. That's the thing with this, is the shroud on this is never fun to fully install. So we'll go down there and
I don't think anything was fun to install on this.
twist and pull. This car's not that bad. All right, we do have our carb gaskets too, so we can put our carb on here in a little while. So Xander and Riley, I think we've shown that the belts and all that are on. Radiator's in. The shroud we can move no problem without taking anything else apart. So Xander, start filling up the cooling system. Not sideways, remember? I taught you.
You did?
It pours better, yeah. See? Just like when we did the oil. Remember doing the oil in the truck?
Oh yeah.
Same thing. Oh wait, did we put the drain plug in the bottom?
Nope.
Nope. Yeah, okay, so let's put that in. Before we dump coolant in, I did put the plug in. And you can see down here, we've wrestled the exhaust system, well the front half, up. Just gotta tighten that up. You gotta finish up the fuel pump too, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll do that quick, and then we should be out of here for the day. But let's go ahead and put coolant in it carefully and slowly. Slowly and carefully, please. You know, we have a nice funnel for this too. There we go. Oops. Slowly and carefully. Now everything is empty. The block is empty. Everything. So it's going to take a bit to fill up. And when we light it up, when we fire it, we're going to have to be burping it too, because it's going to take a lot.
Yeah.
So carb's on too. We didn't mention that. That part's done. Got to do the throttle, little throttle linkage deal and bob coming up here in a bit. But lots of progress today. Joey's going to be happy. It's been a long time coming. It's a lot of stuff going on, but so it is with these cars. Is there's actually a lot to do. Whether people think, oh, Xander, in that white box. Remember Bernsey showing you that white box with the big funnel?
No.
Oh. Then I'll find it. And there you go, using the thingy. It's gonna be a little burpy. It's got a lot to do. There we go. Let that go in and see what it does. Science! Beat science at school, huh?
Oh yeah. I don't see anything leaking.
Nothing yet. Keyword is yet. This is the choke water. That's where that stray was.
Get another bottle?
Yeah, you're probably gonna want one more. Because it's dry. That's why we buy the premix. Way easier. I've discussed all this before. You're not mixing it. If the chemistry's off, it's not on us, it's on the vendor. And then start a shoot on ours. Pretty simple. A lot less headaches that way. Sweat my eyes. Keep going. This exhaust on this side is easy.
Yeah. I don't know this side though.
Yeah. Nice. She's empty.
You got another one?
Start another one. And another one.
And another one.
Go. Getting really close. All right, so cooling system full. Good to go. Sanders got it all handled, as you guys saw. Even got some in the barf tank. So we're gonna go up with the car. That way we can, he can finish up the fuel pump real fast. And also, gotta put the battery on the charger. But we're looking good. Good job. Cooling system all together.